Morning, afternoon, evening. Welcome back to the channel. It's your first time here. I'm Tony. This is Teddy. And he's spotted another dog over there. That's what he's grumbling at. And we're doing a potato experiment today. Well, over the course of this video. What we're going to do is we're going to plant 2 seed potatoes in containers. 1 seed potato with an individual chit. That potato's naturally got 1 chit. This one has got 3, 4 chits. I've heard people say that if you plant a potato with a single chit, you'll get 1 big potato. And other people say you will get bigger spuds. So planting these containers. This one's marked multi, this one's marked 1. Using fresh compost and chicken manure pellets and a straw mulch on the top. Now I did a video earlier in the year where I planted 4 seed potatoes in one container, 2 in another and 1 in another. I did that by first earlies. What I do with first earlies, I plant them in January in the polytunnel. After the last frost has passed, I pull them out of the tunnel, finish them off outdoors. That way I get a harvest in May of first early potatoes. I'm doing the opposite with these. These are a second early variety called Maris Pear. I'm going to plant them in containers today. As soon as the tomatoes are done, they go in the polytunnel. So, we'll get them planted. Compost there in the bottom, fresh compost. And to each container, 1 level pot of chicken manure pellets. Just so they're getting the same amount. A bit of a mix. So this container's 1 multi, so that's going to be the seed potato with the 4 chits, and this is a single chit. Now what I've done, I've topped them both up about 1/3 of the way, and then we're going to add another level pot of chicken manure pellets, give that a mix. Top ones up the rest of the way, and then we're just going to put a straw mulch on top. Now what I'm going to do, give them a good watering in. Now the other experiment where I did 4, 2, 1 seed potatoes, I'll put that on the screen up here at the end of this video if you do want to see that. So leave those to sprout now. I'll bring you back when they start coming through, and we'll bring you back again when there's a bit of foliage on there. We'll have a look at the difference in the amount of foliage and that kind of thing, and obviously at the end we'll harvest them and we'll see what the difference is. Okay, so today is the 9th of September. This is the one with multi chits, this is the single chit. As you can see, that's coming through, and this is coming through with a couple. So I'll give you an update in a couple of weeks. Okay people, harvest time. So today's 9th of December, and to be fair, they've been ready for a while. Let's look around harvesting them. I'm going to show you now. They're there. So I moved them into the polytunnel October time. Didn't film it however. So the first one I'm going to harvest then is the one with multi chits. Lots of lovely worm activity in here. But not that many potatoes. So if I could rifle through, that's all the spuds that are in there. So not brilliant. But anyway, let's harvest the single chit. Okay, so we'll show this result now. I don't really know what to make of it, to be fair. I'll definitely run this experiment again. Not really the result I was expecting. Anyway, let me show you the result. I've been through that barrow a couple of times. Definitely got all spuds. So this is the multiple chits, and this is the single chit. So single chit, we've just got 3 spuds. Look at the difference in size. It's not that much. So I think that's the myth busted, that one single chit's going to get you one big potato. That blatantly hasn't happened. I'm definitely going to run that experiment again. If you did enjoy that video, you want to see more gardening experiments and beekeeping videos, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.